My wife and kids do a lot of fun things with the goats. They put Thomas the Tank Engine pajamas on a baby goat. Yeah, it was adorable, but the goat did not like that. He got loose, the pajama bottoms came off, the top stayed on, and he's kind of running around in our pasture, pantless, with his cut-off shirt. He was ready for Walmart. So I couldn't catch him. We couldn't catch him, and I had to leave to go do a show. So I go and I do my show, and after my show, a guy is taking pictures with my phone, and a text pops up from my wife that says, goat emoji, fist bump emoji, pajamas off. This guy didn't know what was going on back at my house. He looked up from my phone like, dude, man, I ain't trying to get in your business or nothing, but if I got this text from my wife, I'd probably head back to the house.